My dear students, let us continue the discussion of chemical bonding. Okay, what is the chemical bonding? What is the bonds? That's our topics. What is bonds? Bonds uh, are bonds. These are attraction, attraction which hold atoms or ions or molecules together. Together. That is, we generally define bonds. Bonds is nothing but an attraction. We have different type of bonds in our life. Okay, that bond hold us. Okay, there is a bond between teacher and student. That's why we are existing. That's why you are listening me. That's why you are carrying my instructions. Okay, suppose I tell you in the classroom, when you are sitting in the classroom, I tell you keep silence. And majority, if you are use the word majority, if you are generally you become silent. This is because of our bond. Suppose you tell that when I tell you keep silent, you tell that we will not silent. What shall I do? I can do nothing. Okay, that generally do not happen because of the bond. Similarly, there is a bond between parents and their son or daughter, between sister and son, and a new bond is generated between wife and husband after the marriage. Okay, a new bond is formed there. That bond hold to them. What is a bond? Can you see that bond between wife and husband? You can't see that. Okay, it's not a visible, but there is a strong attraction. Okay, when you learn physics, you will learn that a fundamental particle between the bonds, that is bosons and fermions, that will be discussed in another occasion. That's not the scope of our syllabus. When there is a strong attraction between two particles, there is an exchange of the particle. Okay, that's called uh, bosons. I think bosons, physics people will clear you. Okay, anyway, that's all about the bond. Our bonds are generally divided into two types, that is chemical bonds and physical bonds. And physical bond, physical bonds. Okay, chemical bonds are three types, that is covalent, then ionic, then metallic. Physical bonds are just one name, that is van der Waals. Van der Waals forces of attraction, forces of attraction, attraction. They are different. That is London or dispersion, dipole, dipole, dipole. Okay, dipole, induced dipole, hydrogen bond, hydrogen bond, hydrogen bond. Okay. This is a general classification of bonds in chemistry. Okay, physical bonds and chemical. They have very clear differences. Very clear differences. Okay, what are their differences? We know that we learned it in the primary or our lower classes, higher secondary classes, uh, their difference. Okay. That is uh, chemical bonds and physical bond, physical bond. Okay. One of the important concept is this is strong, this is strong, this is weak, weak. This is strong, this is weak. This is between atoms or ions, here between, generally between molecules. Now, it formed or broken during chemical reactions. Chemical reaction. This is during physical change, or physical change, physical change. Okay. Okay. For example, hydrogen, oxygen combined to form a HOH. What happened? This broken, a new bond. Here you know melting of ice, that is bond between H2O molecules. That is a physical bond, H2O molecule. Therefore, this is all about physical bonds and chemical bonds. Okay. Yes, chemical bonds, as the name indicates, they are related to the chemical change. They are involved in chemical change. Physical bond is involved in physical change. Okay, that's all. Now we will go to the next topic, ionic bond, in detail.